Merch Window makes it easy to set up your free store and start selling custom merchandise. In this video, we'll go over the initial store setup, some of the features available, and connecting to our secure payment gateway, Stripe. Let's get started. After creating and verifying your account, you'll arrive at your merchant dashboard. Here, you'll eventually see the products you've created, just like these examples. But for your new account, this area will be blank. Head back to the Merchant Academy page after this video to learn more about product creation and management. On the left, you'll find the Store tab. Entering this section allows you to edit your store information along with some other cool features that are available to you as a Merch Window merchant. For now, let's start with the easy stuff. Enter your store name and your store URL. The URL will be how your customers will access the free Merch Window store, or how you'll link to the store from other areas like website buttons or link in bio type situations. If you'd like to receive email notifications from us relevant to actions users are performing on your store, check the options in this section. To help personalize your free store, here you can upload a profile and cover image. You should note that the profile image will display as a circle on your store, while the cover image will be a rectangle. For best outcomes, use a JPG or PNG file format. Next is your description, visible on your store directly under the store name. You can write a welcome, an engaging call to action, and you can even style this text specifically if you're familiar with inline HTML as shown. Keep in mind, there's a 500 character limit here. Next, there are a couple of optional fields for notes you can use to add a note to your customers after they make a purchase. You can use these as a way to thank them or provide additional information you might need to add for each sale. If you have a presence on any of the common social media channels, you can add them in this section. They'll appear just under the description in your Merch Window store. Now that you have all your store information and media entered, you should hit the Update Store button to make it live. You can always come back to the Store tab if you need to edit anything later on. Okay, next is our Store Embed feature, an exclusive for Merch Window merchants. It allows you to add your store to any website that accepts custom code, and it's completely free. To learn more about this feature, head back to the Merchant Academy page after this video. Now, we're literally at the business end of the store setup process, made possible through the industry standard Secure Payment Gateway, Stripe. Through Stripe, Merch Window collects payments from your customers, then deposits them into your nominated account. The entire process is encrypted between all parties, meaning that between Merch Window, our merchants and their customers, no financial details are shared and everything is nice and safe. Connecting with Stripe is straightforward and simple. Just click the button to start the connection process, follow the steps, and start collecting profits from your sales. That's all for this episode from the Merch Window Merchant Academy. Remember, you can always reach out to support if you get stuck along the way, and we'll lend a hand. Check out our other video tutorials in the Merchant Academy to learn more about how Merch Window can help you expand your brand online. It's Merch, made simple.